So your salary is $40,000 a year. And then you see someone on YouTube, a random person, posts a 10 minutes long video where they didn't even show their face and they didn't even film anything with the camera, and in less than 10 minutes of work they make over $80,000. In this video I will show you how these people have quit working 5 years ago and are to this day making passive income from videos where they didn't even show their face and they didn't even film anything with the camera. This is all absolutely free and I will walk you through the entire process in this tutorial. But first of all, let me know in the comments what is actually motivating you to build a faceless YouTube automation channel. So why do you actually want to make money on YouTube without making videos or showing your face? Is it to travel the world? Is it to buy a new car? Is it to invest in something? Is it to help your family? Let me know in the comments down below what is your #1 motivation to build a successful faceless YouTube automation business in 2022. And once you do that, we will begin with step #1. You see, first of all, I want to show you a couple of examples. For example, this person has posted a video, a tutorial that talks about how to use Zoom. And yeah, inside of this video, we will be talking about how simple tutorials where people are not even showing their face, they're literally just 10 minutes long, are making tens of thousands of dollars on YouTube. For example, how to use Zoom tutorial that was posted 2 years ago got 1.4 million views. And if you do the math on that, and let's say an average CPM for this type of video is $3 per 1,000 views, even though it's a lot higher because it's in the tech niche and it's a specific type of tutorial, so the CPM is probably a lot higher, but let's say it's only $3 per 1,000 views. That will show us that this person has made over $4,000 from this one single 10 minutes long tutorial just from ad revenue. But since it's a specific tutorial that people are searching for, like how to use Zoom, they're adding their affiliate links in the description box. As you can see, start Zoom here, and they have their affiliate link over there. So they're making passive income whenever someone signs up through their affiliate link. And since 1 million people are searching for how to use Zoom, they obviously want to sign up to Zoom as well. So these guys, even if they are earning just $5 per month from person that they refer, if out of 1.4 million people they refer just 1% of them, that would still be 14,000 people paying them $5 a month. That's over $70,000 in passive income just from affiliate earnings, plus an additional $4,000 from ad revenue. The second video over here is Microsoft Project full tutorial for beginners, basically a 13 minutes long tutorial. This person is just recording their screen going through Microsoft Project. And this is like extremely easy and simple. Imagine just showing someone how to use YouTube. You literally record your screen, you tell them this is YouTube, this is how you go to the homepage, this is your account here, these are the notifications, this is where you upload a video, this is where you search, literally just that. And those videos get a lot of views because there's a lot of people who don't even know how to use these platforms, and these videos are really useful to them. 2.3 million views probably made him over $7,000 or $8,000 from ad revenue, plus an additional probably $60,000, $70,000 or $80,000 in affiliate earnings with these links below, because as you can see, they also have links to Microsoft Project and whatnot. This is another example over here, beginner's guide to Microsoft Word. Like, this cannot get any more simple. So that's why I said, like, literally imagine having a regular job, working for a full year to make like $40,000 if you're lucky, and then you see a person like this uploads an 18 minutes long tutorial on YouTube where they are clearly not showing their face. They're just going through Word and just showing people how to use Word, and they made over $50,000 from a single YouTube video. It's quite impressive, right? So literally, if you open up the video, you start watching the video, you can just see they're going through Microsoft Word. They're showing them how to type words into Microsoft Word and how to use different elements and different tools that are available in Microsoft Word, and that's all they're doing. And they're just talking like, yeah, you can just click here for a smart lookup, you can click here to translate, you can click here to change the language, and that's all they're doing in this video. Here's another example, learn Microsoft Teams in 7 minutes. This is a 7-minute long video that got 500,000 views. And let's see, yep, they also have different links they're promoting in the description box that are making them a bunch of money. So as you can see, it doesn't necessarily have to be even a direct affiliate link. They're also promoting their courses, their digital products that are making them even more money. And I personally made over $1 million selling courses last year, over $1 million from free traffic coming from YouTube. So this can actually be extremely powerful, especially considering that these types of videos are watched by business owners and entrepreneurs. Like Microsoft Teams are used by business owners and entrepreneurs, so they have some budget to invest in these videos. Now here's another example that you can do. For example, you can make a video about how to use VPN, and I'm going to show you exactly how to learn how to actually explain these in tutorials. And then once you make a video about how to use VPN, you can search for VPN affiliate programs on Google, and you can find, for example, Strong VPN affiliate program. This is one that I opened up, and they're paying 200% commissions per sale. So if someone spends $100 on a Strong VPN, you're going to make $200 in commissions. If they spend $500, you're going to make $1,000 in affiliate commissions for referring them to this VPN program. So you can make a short tutorial, 5 minutes long tutorial talking about how to use VPN, and then you can literally just install, for example, Strong VPN, and you can tell them this is how you install it. You click on join, and now you sign up, you enter your email address, and you can just use it, and you show them how to use it in 5 minutes, and then you leave a link to Strong VPN in the description. And even if it just gets 5,000 views or 10,000 views, like it doesn't need millions of views, even if it's just 10,000 views, that's 10,000 targeted people who are actually going to sign up through your link, and you can earn a lot of affiliate commissions from that. Now for screen recording, I personally use OBS Project over at the obsproject.com, but there's a lot of different tools that you can use that are also absolutely free. For example, Bandicam, this is a really old one, old school, but I remember using it. It's really easy and simple to use. You can also use Discord, and you can also use other tools as well. So for example, OBS Project is available at obsproject.com. You just click on it, you just select whichever operating system you're using, and then you can download it to your computer and use it. This is how it works. This is how it looks, OBS, when you open it up. You're just gonna press start recording. It's gonna start recording your screen, and then if you want to, you can talk into your microphone and explain. Like if I was, for example, making a tutorial about OBS, this is how I would do it. You will come to obsproject.com using the first link in the description box down below. You will click on whichever operating system you are using, and you will download it into your computer. You will then install it, and then if you want to start streaming, you will press start streaming. If you want to start recording your screen, you will click on start recording. If you want to start a virtual camera, you will press start virtual camera. If you want to enter the studio mode, you will just press studio mode. If you want to change some settings, you can change the settings here. If you want to exit the program, just press the exit button over here. And that's pretty much the full tutorial. That would be like, I mean, it's not a full tutorial, but if I do this for 5 to 10 minutes, that would make it a full tutorial that would go live on YouTube. And I'm just recording my screen and not even showing my face. And you just need to find a suitable affiliate program for the offer that you want to talk about in your videos. Now, if you're wondering how do you actually learn to walk people through all of these different programs and software, well, if you want to make a video about Microsoft Project, for example, you just gotta go to Google and you can type in how to use Microsoft Project, and you can find some article that talks about it. And obviously a lot of other people are way more willing to watch a short tutorial on YouTube than to read a full article. So you can just find an article that talks about it, you can just go through it, see what they said in the video, see what they said in the text in the article, and then make literally the same tutorial, just record it yourself and make tutorial talking about the points that they've mentioned in their article. But now, how do you actually find software and products to make tutorials about? Well, here's how you can find endless stream of software to talk about. So you can just go over to g2.com. g2.com is a platform where you can find thousands and thousands of different software like Microsoft Project, like different VPN and whatnot, and you can just make video tutorials about them. And the more they're niched down, the easier it's gonna be to get views. If you make a video about something that's so broad, like how to use Microsoft Word, there's a lot of people that are already doing that. So the competition is extremely high, especially in 2022. It was easier 5 years ago, but now if you can make videos about upcoming products and software and companies that are just coming to the table, even if they're not that big, you can still get great results. Even if it's just 1,000 views, remember that out of 1,000 people, just 100 of them sign up using your affiliate link, you could be making thousands of dollars, in fact tens of thousands of dollars from just 100 people. And most of these software actually pay reoccurring commissions, which means once you refer someone, they're gonna keep on making you money for the next couple of months or even years, as long as they keep using the software. So for example, you can find different software in the project management section, video conferencing, e-commerce platforms, marketing automation. You just, for example, want to make a video about Sendinblue. I know for a fact that Sendinblue is paying $5 per free trial. So you can make a tutorial talking about Sendinblue, like how to use Sendinblue, and you tell the people to sign up using your link, and when they sign up using your link, you're gonna make $5 per free trial. So they don't even have to pay for anything, they're still gonna make you $5. If you get just 5,000 views on that tutorial where you're not even showing your face, if 500 of them sign up using your affiliate link, you're gonna make $2.5 thousand from a single tutorial that probably took you less than 10 minutes to record. Once again, the process is simple. You just open up your screen recorder like OBS, you press start recording, and then you just go through the platform and you show people how to use it. If I'm explaining how to use G2, I would just say, you can join by pressing this button, and I will explain them how to do it. So yeah, this is where you can find a lot of different software and companies to make tutorials about, and then once you find a software or a company, you just open up their website and you find their affiliate program. If you can't find their affiliate program on the homepage, just go to Google and type in, for example, Sendinblue affiliate program, or in this case, Active Campaign affiliate program, and then you're gonna be able to find it and grab your affiliate link to earn affiliate commissions. I really hope you got some new idea in this video, and if you did, make sure to drop a like to it down below.
Thank you so much for watching. Here are a couple of videos that I suggest you watch next to learn more about different methods to make money online, and make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. Just click the link in the description below and enable all notifications. This way you'll be notified whenever I upload my next video. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon.